Hello everyone, welcome to my channel GSP Studies. এই প্যাসেজের কিছু ইম্পর্টেন্ট স্ট্রোক। মিলিয়ন attributed maternal malnutrition, nutritional deficiencies, exacerbated infection, triggered premature pregnancy, wasting, stunning, diversity, vulnerable, plotted, vertical, horizontal, matrix, evolution, tackling, crucial, diarrhea, palmated, widespread, tuberculosis, anti-malarial, nourished, rotavirus. Get ready for the dictation. 5 seconds. Start. In 2021, in India, 0.7 million children under the age of 5 died. Stop. Of these, 0.5 million of the deaths were attributed to child and maternal malnutrition. Stop. That means, over 70% of them were linked to nutritional deficiencies. Stop. In the same year, the world over, 4.7 million children under the age of 5 died, 2.4 million of those were attributed to child and maternal malnutrition. Stop. That means around 50% of child deaths, about 20% points less than India's figures, were linked to nutritional deficiencies. Stop. Para. In most cases, children do not die of malnutrition. Stop. They die from conditions that are exacerbated or are triggered by it. Stop. In most cases, it is a risk factor for premature death. Stop. In chart 1, we can see how many child deaths are attributed to different nutritional risk factors in India. Stop. Para. By far, the biggest is low birth weight, which often happens because the mother is malnourished or has experienced infections, diseases during pregnancy. Stop. After the first few weeks or months of life, children are also more vulnerable to infection and disease when they are underweight or are malnourished and do not develop at a healthy rate. Stop. Hundreds of thousands die as a result of wasting, which means their weight is too low or their height or stunning, which means they are too short for their age. Stop. Para. Death rates from malnutrition are much higher in low income countries, where children often do not get the diversity of nutrients they need and where infections, diseases are much more common. In chart 2, stop. Malnutrition deaths are plotted on the vertical axis and gross domestic product per person on the horizontal axis. Stop. In rich countries on the right of the chart, rates are 20 to 50 times lower than in the poorest countries, on the left. Stop. Most malnutrition deaths occur in sub-Saharan Africa and South Asia. Stop. BRICS countries are highlighted in the chart. Stop para. Thankfully, a fewer children are dying from malnutrition than a few decades ago. Stop. Chart 3 shows the Institution for Health Metrics and Evolution's estimates of the number of child deaths related to malnutrition since 1990 in India. Stop para. The world over, around 6.6 million deaths were linked to these risks in 1990. Stop. By 2021, this had fallen to around 2.4 million, a 63% drop. Stop. Improvements in nutrition have driven some of this decline, in India, the corresponding drop was from 2.4 million to 0.5 million, a 80% drop. Stop para. Progress in tackling infectious disease has also been crucial. Stop. Disease and malnutrition have a bidirectional relationship. Stop. This means that if diseases are less common, the health risks from being malnourished are also lower. Stop. In the last few decades, deaths from diarrheal diseases have plummeted thanks to clean water, improvements in sanitation, hand washing, and better and more widespread treatments. Stop. Antimalarials and bedents have reduced malaria death rates. Stop. Most children are vaccinated against tuberculosis and a growing number are against rotavirus. Stop para. Support for mothers and babies during pregnancy and after birth has also improved. Stop. More births are attended by skilled health workers, which means that when babies are born with very low birth weights, professional medical workers are there to help and advise. Stop para. Tackling the diseases and health conditions that affect malnourished children is another way of reducing the poor health outcomes of malnutrition. Stop. But of course, improving the nutrition of children and mothers is crucial. Stop. এই প্যাসেজের স্ট্রোক এবং পিডিএফ পেতে টেলিগ্রাম গ্রুপে জয়েন করুন এবং ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকলে লাইক, শেয়ার এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করে বেল আইকনটি প্রেস করে রাখুন সবার আগে নোটিফিকেশান পেতে। থ্যাঙ্কস ফর ওয়াচিং দিস ভিডিও।